What's up, YouTube? 2021 Ford Mustang with the 4-cylinder 2.3 liter. Customers complaining of the check engine light being on and running rough. It's a very common problem on these Mustangs, and not just Mustangs, all Fords. It's going to be the purge solenoid, and this is the code you're going to get, most likely. High purge flow is because these solenoids get stuck open and they vent constantly, and when they vent those fuel vapors constantly, it's going to cause the engine to run rough because it's essentially flooding out the engine. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's pretty easy. You already got the part. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So I continue my videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. I'm ready to go home. Busy Saturday, and I get off in less than an hour. So let me give you all a little bit of light here. So this is the package I took it out of. You can see that part number right there. Motorcraft. Now, I always recommend OE parts, but if you want to get one aftermarket, that's your choice. Match it up. It looks right. You don't need many tools for this job. Just pull this little clip back. No, my bad. This has got a double clip. And then push it in that clip. This one right here, you can't see it. Alright. Now the new one comes with those clips, so if you drop it, don't freak out. Get a 10mm socket of your choice. Pull this bad boy off. Push down your tab, unplug it. Now we need to disconnect this end from it too. Grab that screwdriver action again. Now you don't want to break this clip. Just be careful. Just kind of pull these tabs back. Trap them. Now, as the car ages, these clips get more and more brittle. Just work it slowly. Pull it out. Pop that new one in. Push it till it clicks. Pull on it to make sure it's not going to pop out. If it clicks, it shouldn't, but you always check. Grab that bolt. Just go ahead and clip that down. Push in on your locking tab. Plug that bad boy in. Yeah, I had a very rough idle when I pulled it in. Sometimes when they stick, you can blow through them. Sometimes when there's... Let me wipe that off a bit. Yeah, I can blow through that. You should not be able to blow through it at all. It should be closed completely whenever there's no power going to it. And if you can blow through it, it's definitely bad. So let's make sure everything's out of the way. Start getting stuck in the fender. Let's clear these codes. Start this bad boy up, make sure they're off. A couple snap throttles. I can already tell a big difference already. Now, you're going to notice it says permanent, and the reason why it does that is because until the computer goes through its drive cycle, that permanent code is going to stay there. So don't freak out if you see that permanent code. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Short and sweet. I'm ready to get out of here. Y'all have a good day. Please subscribe, check a like. Peace out.